Flick? First reactions to the win?
It was a good win, man. Like the last few games has been third quarter just running teams off the court. So play good defense, get up and down, hit our threes, hit our open passes and stuff. So it's been good.
What about the future? What about your thoughts about heading to the next season?
Like I always do, I normally just wait, see how my body feels during the summer, give myself a month, 3 weeks, a month off, and just see how I feel and see what I want to do. You know.
What do you think about this group right here in Skellagrimur? What do you think about next season, about Domino's League?
I like the group. You know what I mean? It's just they got to get a little more focused and aggressive on the defense and pick that up. You know, because a lot of them can score and shoot, but defensively, man to man, is what we got to learn how to be better.
So this is your 35th season in Iceland. any highlights? Can you talk about any highlights and lowlights
Of my career?
Yeah, 35 years.
Oh, it ain't been 35, but it's been a long one, man. Just, just competing every year, thinking my season, my career is over because of injury, but then always coming back and having solid seasons. So that's just pretty much been my career for me. So, I mean, I take it. This is 15 years or 16 years, something like that. And I never thought I'd play past high school. So yeah. I take it. Everything after high school is a plus for me. So.
All right, thanks, Flick.
All right, no problem.